So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand system. Now you want to expand current control sets. Now you want to expand control. And now we're going to expand graphics drivers. We're going to scroll down till we find graphics drivers. You want to expand this. And now under graphics drivers, you should now be seeing all of this. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you see all of this, we're going to be deleting 3 folders. The first one is going to be configuration. You want to right click on configuration and then click on delete and then click on yes. The next one is going to be connectivity. You want to right click on it and then delete and then click on yes. And now for the last one, scale factors, you want to right click on it and then click on delete and then click on yes. And now the display cache is going to be cleared.